Baby girl, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Kiani if you're new here. So today we are talking about abs. Okay, I'm taking you guys through my ab workout. So get your towels, get your water, get your yoga mats, get whatever you need because we're about to get some abs. Okay, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and enjoy the video.
That's not smelling.
What's left of us? What's left of our lives? It's only you, it's only me, it's only us at the end of the night. I remember when you couldn't tell me a thing. Now you talk so much it drives me insane. But you could do something great. So what can I say to you? When I'm off there, had to fall back. You got everybody thinking I'm all bad. You're not all true. I was always holding you down. You down, baby. But how pressure just keep adding. Don't you just get mad at fuck? We was living fast. That's what get me high. All these people always lying. I'm sorry, I'm so fly, so what? Fuck, I'm gonna be sorry.
I was counting zeros. I'm a hometown hero. Niggas green like CeeLo. These niggas do anything for some C-notes. At what cost?
Hit Mercedes, buy some free cars.
I know, this nigga's worse off. Maybe nonsense, so reality is turned off. Who the fuck knows? I just make songs. Who am I to sound that's how this shit goes? Fuck everybody.
You wanna be my equal. You won't even do the hell. This shit don't add up. You don't even know the man. Yeah.
That ain't even bad.
You said it's gonna relax. I didn't. Sometimes I wanna beat your ass. Wait. But you know I won't do that. So I say for the fame ain't changed shit but who mine. You see the paddock, yeah, you think a nigga blowing time. Is your blood? What we see ain't what it seems. More feels through what is love. What's the fun in love? The girl we see ain't what it seems. More feels through what is love.
That's not smelling.
your legs straight. Am I supposed to be doing this? Am I supposed to be doing it? Yeah. That was 30 seconds. You did about 4 of them.
Alright, let's just count it down.
Eu e ela no barraco, louco de corote. Eu e ela no barraco, louco de corote. Eu e ela no barraco, louco de corote. Vou tacar nesse pacote, firme e forte. Vou tacar nesse pacote, firme e forte. Vou tacar nesse pacote, firme e forte. Vou tacar nesse pacote, firme e forte.
Someone